Did you know the okapi is often called the forest giraffe? Meanwhile, the beaver is known as nature's engineer, crafting elaborate dams. The okapi is native to the Congo, elusive and rarely seen by humans. Beavers, on the other hand, are found in North America and Europe, thriving in freshwater habitats. Both animals are vital to their ecosystems, but they play very different roles. The okapi helps maintain forest health, while beavers create wetlands that support diverse wildlife. The okapi's diet consists mainly of leaves, fruits, and flowers. Beavers are herbivores too, primarily eating tree bark and aquatic plants. The okapi's population is threatened due to habitat loss and poaching. Beavers also face challenges such as habitat destruction and climate change. Both creatures remind us of the importance of conservation efforts. Protecting their habitats ensures these unique animals thrive for generations to come.